Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi vehicle. Upgrade your drive with the Audi A3 Sportback S line that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired Mythos Black metallic paintwork. It does come complete with your petrol engine and handy manual transmission, making it the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual. Top features do include your stylish S-line body styling, alongside enhanced visibility with your auto LED headlights and 18-inch alloy wheels. For added protection, you do have your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors, alongside a spacious boot area to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials. Followed in the rear by your luxurious leather trim for easy maintenance, with access to your pull-down armrest and central climate vents. Moving into your front, you will find your S multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience, alongside your central touch display screen and S embossed front leather seats for further luxury. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on the steering wheel, alongside your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio, telephone connection and navigation. For further assistance, you do also have your speed limiter and cruise control options. Similar access can be found on your central display with your variation of radio stations, telephone connection and again navigation. For enhanced performance, you do have your Audi Drive Select, including your efficiency and comfort modes. Further safety can be found with your driving assistance features, including your Audi Presense. Followed just below by your dual climate control for a desired temperature. You do also have your handy charging pocket, cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.